Is there a reason for me to always fan myself like this? Do you even know how painful it can get?
No, my lord.
Look, do something about it.
What can I
If the
do?
technology does not exist, make that technology. Because
That
doing
sounds so
this
painful.
is getting really painful, you know.
I'll try my best.
The Lord is now leaving. So I designed this in order to use it for the new project. But for the project itself, you don't even need 3D printing parts. You can just make it yourself with a bunch of wires and gears, and it will work perfectly fine. But the advantage of a 3D printer is it just makes it look production made, and it makes it look professional and clean, but you don't even need it. Anyway, so I designed this, and now I just have to print it out.
Day people used to call this a fan, but then the name was stolen and it was put on a propeller and they started to call it a fan. Anyway, back to topic. So this homemade real fan can be easily disassembled, as you can see, right? And then in order to use it, all you have to do is just put it in the hole right there, and then as you can see right here, you pull it down to extend the huge fan blade right there. Then all you have to do is just tie this to this. As you can see, there's a hole already there. So you just feed this right here in that hole and then tie it. Anyway, as you can see, the motor works like a train. As you can see, chugga, 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 and then it moves the blade back and forth, right there. All right, so now all I have to do is just assemble it or just tie it, and then we connect the speed controller to control the power. All right, let's do that.
watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video. Bye.